Hello, hello everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Buzz with Alex live on Gate.io. Today we are diving into a very exciting opportunity, the brand new Gate.io launch pool for SYND. This is your chance to farm tokens by stacking BTC or USDT, and I'm here to walk you through exactly how it works, my important, and what the opportunity looks like for us as traders and investors. Stay tuned because over the next 1 hour, we will cover everything in detail, including live price checks, farming strategies, breakdowns, and community insights. So, what is SYND? SYND as a token project background, what makes it unique is now entering the spotlight through Get.io's launch pool, meaning early participants can farm rewards before the token off. So here is the token details. The Get Launch Pool project hash 323 syndicate SYND stake USDT BTC or SYND itself to claim airdrops. So on 22nd of September 2025, 10:31 by the UTC time, Get Launch Pool is set to launch project hash 323 syndicate SYND. Users can stake USDT, BTC, or SYND to share 766,500 SYND tokens for free. New users who participate in stacking will receive a $100 position voucher available on a first come, first served basis. Airdrop details are here. Stacking periods September 22nd, 2025 at 20 o'clock by UTC time to until October 4, 2025 at 20 o'clock by the UTC time as well. All right. So the total stacking rewards are 7,766,500 SYND tokens. So stacking pools are here. So the total stacking rewards, price pools per hour, and hourly rewards cap per user, maximum staking and minimum stacking amount per user as well. So I'll walk you through one by one. So let's check it on the number one, that USDT newcomers exclusive. The total stacking rewards will be 150,000 SYND tokens. So price pool per hour is 520.83 SYND tokens. Hourly reward cap per user is 52.08 SYND. And maximum stacking amount per user is 2000 USDT. And minimum stacking amount per user is 0.1 USDT. And if you stack with BTC, so the total stacking rewards are 500,000 SYND. The price pool per hour will be 1736.11 SYND, and hourly rewards cap per user is 69.44 SYND. Maximum stacking amount per user is 10 BTC and minimum stacking amount per user is 0.000001 BTC. And if you're going to stack with SYND tokens itself, so the total stacking rewards will be 116,500 SYND tokens. Price will be per hour 404.51 SYND tokens, and the hourly reward cap per user will be 40.45 SYND tokens. Maximum stacking amount per user is 20,000 SYND tokens. So the minimum stacking amount per user is 0.1 SYND. So you can start it with the minimum amounts, or even you go further for more. So whatever the price you will choose here to the stacking pool, the rewards will be calculated by the amount you stacked in the launch pool. So first come and first serve. Thank you for joining me, guys. Please like, follow, and share the live stream. So these are the methods which you can unlock by the 100%. So Get Launch Pool allows users to stack in advance. You can stack your assets before the official launch of the project to ensure you start earning rewards as soon as mining begins. Users who stack BTC or USDT and choose to redeem into simple on 7-day fixed term project can enjoy 29.16% extra airdrop rewards on top of their original stacking earnings. By clicking on the blue learn more, you will have the more pages so you can learn it through there. So the reward distributions will be, the system will distribute token rewards to users' spot accounts on an hourly basis based on the proportion of assets they have stacked. For further, you can check with the Gate Launch Pool FAQs. So newcomers exclusive stacking pool, only new users who sign up after September 17, 2025 at 00 UTC time are eligible. For how to participate, log into your Gate account and complete identity verification. Navigate to Launch Pool, hold at least 0.1 USDT or 0.000001 BTC or zero point 0.1 SYND. Just click to stack. For further details, exclusive perk for USDT newcomers pool stack to win a 100 USDT position voucher. So users who participate in the USDT newcomer pool and maintain a continuous stacking duration of no less than 48 hours with an average effective staked amount of at least 100 USDT will be eligible to receive a 100 USDT position voucher. The average effective staked amount will be calculated based on actual stacking and redemption during the continuous stacking period, limited to 3,000 spots on a first come, first serve basis. So exclusive stacking limit privilege for VIP users. VIP 5 and above users enjoy exclusive stacking limits when participating in Launch Pool with up to 500% stacking limit bonus. So these are the details here with VIP levels. From VIP 0 to VIP 4 BTC pool, maximum stacking amount per user is 10 BTC. So you can stack with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and in last the 10 maximum BTC you can stack in that launch pool. So VIP 5 BTC pool maximum stacking amount is 15 BTC plus 50%, and for VIP 6 is 20 BTC plus 100%. For VIP 7 is 26 BTC plus 160% extra bonus, and VIP 8 34 BTC plus 240% bonus. VIP 9 45 BTC plus 350% as bonus. VIP 10 to VIP 16 60 BTC plus 500 percentage as bonus for them. So these were the details or the chart. You can check it on the announcement by new crypto listing and get launch pool on the project of hash 323 syndicate SYND stake USDT BTC or SYND tokens itself to get rewards on the time of airdrop. So project information are here. Breakthrough innovation of smart rollups with smart sequences that transform rollups and their sequences into smart contracts, bringing programmability to the network level, reducing cost by 100x, and unlocking the next wave of innovation at the application network layer. Official websites are here. You can check it. So Gate Labs investment disclosure. Gate Labs did not invest in a syndicate SYND. So the notes. Number one, Gate Launchpool is an innovative stacking airdrop platform where users can earn hourly airdrops of trending and newly listed tokens by stacking GT, BTC, ETH, USDT, GUSD, GUSD, or other tokens. With low entry barriers and a high APR, it's an easy way to capture market opportunities. And number two, USDT newcomers pool exclusive rewards will be distributed as position vouchers. Eligible users will receive the airdrop with 14 working days after meeting the requirements. Partial redemptions are allowed during the stacking period, but full redemption will reset the consecutive stacking duration. Redeeming after meeting the requirements will not affect reward distribution. And notes for number three as please complete identity verification before participating in Launchpool to enhance the security of your account and assets. And number four, please follow the relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited, which will result in disqualification of the rewards. And number five, in case of discrepancies between the translated and the original English versions, the English version shall prevail. Number six, get results all rights to the final explanation. And number seven, this event is not affiliated with Apple including. And number eight, users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access the services, including the participation in the event, game, or competition. See the use agreement for further details on restricted locations. You can check it from here on the user agreement. So now let's check the risk warnings. As a blockchain startup is still In its early stages, the project may involve significant risk in various aspects, including operations, underlying technology, and the legal and regulatory environment. And number two, understanding blockchain startups and assessing their inherent risk require advanced technical and financial knowledge. And number three, due to influences from technology, regulatory frameworks, market conditions, and other factors, the project you participate in may experience significant price volatility, with prices potentially rising or falling sharply. And number four, due to issues related to the underlying technology of the project or the gate trading platform, you may be unable to withdraw all or part of your assets from the project. And number five and last, cryptocurrency projects are high risk by nature and cryptocurrency prices are high volatile. The project team does not provide any form of margin, price commitment, or downside protection. Please ensure you fully understand the risk and are capable of bearing them before participating. While the platform strongly warns of potential risk if cannot assume liability for an investment decision or provide any guarantees or compensation. So for more terms and conditions, here are the gate teams September 22nd, 2025. They listed already for the sign up and claim welcome rewards, invite friends and earn 40% commissions. Stay connected with Visit Gate's official website. Download the Gate app desktop. Follow them on X to get more bonus. Join their Telegram community to discuss trending topics. Engage with their global community for the latest insights. Transparency and security. Check out here with 100% proof of results. So gateway to crypto, trade over 3,500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. So these were the details. So now let's go and check with the stacking to earn now. Before that, I want to repeat again the Gate Launch Pool project has 323 syndicate SYND stake USDT BTC or SYND to claim airdrops is live on Gate. So let's check with the stacking criteria. So this is the SYND ongoing project on Gate. So what's SYND? Let's break it through innovation of smart rollups with smart sequences that transform rollups and their sequencers into smart contracts, bringing programmability to the network level, reducing cost by 100x and unlocking the next wave of innovation at the application network layer. So on the first button, you can check it for the official website. Second, for X or Twitter, you can follow it for the latest announcements or any news related SYND. White papers in the third button. And number four, which is announcement page by the Gate Launchpool. And on the dots, you can check it with FAQs if you have any kind of question, or even you can drop it in my chat box to ask. So the total rewards are 766,500 SYND tokens. Start time at 23rd of September 2025 at 1 o'clock by the UTC time. Ending time is about 5 of October 2025 at 1 o'clock by the UTC time, which is going to be ends in 8 day, 1 hour, 59 minute and 7 seconds. So this is the pool details. Number one, BTC total stacking rewards are 500,000 SYND. The mining period are 12 days. So total is stacked already, which is 2,733 BTC. Participants are 3,780, which they took already the BTC pool. So the price pool hourly cap is 1736.11 SYND tokens in return. Individual hourly rewards cap is 69.44 SYND per user with APR of 4.4%. Individual stacking cap is VIP 10 BTC. So the maximum is 10 BTC for the VIPs as I have detailed before. So if you want to go with the USDT, so here are the details. But this is for the newcomers only, which they have signed in on Gate before or after or on 17th of September 2025. Total stacking rewards are 150,000 SYND tokens. Mining periods are 12 days. Total stacked is 2,306,370.74 USDT, which is stacked already in a USDT pool. The participants that took place with numbers of 2,311. Price pool hourly cap is 520.83 SYND tokens. Individual hourly rewards cap is 52.08 SYND per user with APR of 153.22%. Individual stacking cap is 2000 USDT. So per user who can stack with 2000 USDT and take the place in USDT pool. And if we check with the SYND, so the total stacking rewards are 116,500 SYND token. Mining period is same as for USDT. For BTC, as it's for 12 days, and total stacked is 775,412.29 SYND. They staked already. The participants took place with the numbers of 11,886. So price pool hourly cap for them is 404.51 SYND token. Individuals hourly reward cap is 40.45 SYND token. APR per user is 766.51%. Individual stacking cap is 20,000 SYND coins or tokens you can stack with. Alright, so thank you for joining me, guys. Please like, follow, and share the live stream as well. Is there anyone have any kind of question regarding the launch pool of SYND or the airdrops? Do let me know in the chat box. The SYND airdrop is ongoing on Gate Live Punch, Gate.io launch pool airdrops, which is live with SYND ongoing. So these are the participants buttons with the BTC for VIPs, USDT for newcomers, and SYND pool for everyone. You can even stake your BTC to get involved in this pool, just clicking on this button, and even you can take the players with USDT if you are newcomer. So USDT pool is this pool is only to users who sign up after 17th of September 2025. So you can go with the SYND pool as well. Just click on it. SYND, stake your BTC, or if you are a new user, you can stake with the USDT, and if you are the old one, you can stake with SYND or with Go BTC as well. That doesn't matter. So what I can do, I can transfer my some of the yes, I can transfer it from here. Yeah, so the funds will be in so you can select your funds from here and then transfer to spot, but I have some spot already. Yes, so I have just a little of amount here. I can sell it through and get the 100%. So let me just add it to the 0.003417. 0.003417. Well, I cannot take the current exchange or trade because my balance is lowest, but that's okay. So this is the trade, spot trade. All right, so the SYND token is live already in the trade market with the other cryptocurrencies. You can even get the trade as well. So this is the chart from a starting day of 20th of September. So the current is 27. So don't just go with the price current on the market. You can even buy from here and get so much profits later on the day of the airdrop. So the current price for the SYND against USDT is in the market with its 0.6581 on the 1 hour chart, and 24 hours the market changed with plus 0.1. The 24 hours high, the price gets SYND is 0.714T3. The lowest get 0.6 thousand, and 24 hours volume SYND gets 693.65K, which shows us the market volume is getting longer than the yesterday. So this is why the 24-hour change is plus in plus with 1.02% currently. So maybe the next will be for more positive reviews or the assignments for SYND against USDT. So don't be worried. It is still has 12 days for their airdrops. So as an investor or the trader live streamer of on the gate, we suggest you to please come and trade with this token, and even you can stake it in the staking pool for SYND on Gate project biggest airdrop. And if we check with the average total SYND is 606,560. Total USD is unable to predict right now because the price is moving very highly. So the bias is currently showing with 81 percentage. The sellers are only 16% to 20 percentage. So the buyers are already in the market. They are pushing the price towards an uptrend. So maybe the next days will be in positive in the price for SYND against USDT. Let's check with the 4-hour chart what it's enclosed for us. So let's just zoom it in for more details. Here you can see that the first biggest volume bar in the price when the price went in the opening 0.63, highest with 0.71, lowest with 0.59, closes on 0.65 with it plus 2.55%. Then the yesterday's bar, which was in negative at 306.15k of volume, but 25th September at 5 o'clock the price with closes on 0.6518 with the volume bar of 598.970k, which showing us in the green. The buyers were already in, and the next is on the move already. So this is the live trades plan for SYND against the USDT. So go back to check for their website. So that's an official website for SYND, syndicate.io. All right, so thank you for joining me, guys. Please like, follow, and share the live stream as well. Thank you for being with me. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, Skyfall, Anna, Gate users, Gate family, Sniper BM, King Dollar, Crypto Granny, and Isla Angel, Cosmos, Xwin, and everyone who is with me tonight. Thank you for being with me, guys. Please like, follow, and share the live stream as well. All right, so this is the website, official website for Syndicate. You can check it here. Thank you for joining me. So there is a Adrift layer 3, a community owned internet starts here. Read Mainnet official. Thank you for the message, Mr. RJ Roman. Please like, follow, and share the live stream as well. Thank you for joining me. All right, so this is the official website for the syndicate token, which is going to be launched on Gate. So syndicate mainnet is live, the foundation of a community on the internet. Thank you for the message, Wovani. And how are you today? And thank you so much for joining me tonight. So 16th of September 2025, mainnet is live. So Syndicate Mainnet is live for the first time. Developers and their communities can own every layer of their networks, sequences, infrastructure, and economics. Without clock in, this is the foundation of a community-owned internet. So read out today's get started with the contact. You can click on it and then go for more. So there is a message here from Gate user in Spanish. Well, I don't know the Spanish, but I can see it that written is in Spanish. But no worries, I will. So any trending coins? Yes, yes. We'll send the SYND coin, brother. This is the trending coin currently in the market. You can stake with your BTC, your USDT, or even the SYND token itself to get involved yourself in the pool, and then you will have your rewards as soon as possible when the airdrops is going to be end on the day of 5th of October 2025. Yes. All right, so let's check with the delivering on Web3's promise. So for years, Web3 promised community ownership, but under the hood, most networks still left core control, sequences, economics, infrastructure in the hands of centralized providers. Communities were tenants, not owners. So today, the chain's syndicate mainnet is live, is the cornerstone of the syndicate network, which was designed from the ground up to make communities the true owners of their infrastructure. Is the foundation of community-owned internet, delivering on the original promise of Web 3. Thank you for joining me, guys. Please like, follow, and share the live stream. And please drop the messages or the comments in the chat box so at least I have an idea that you are with me on my live. So the foundation of community ownership, syndicate mainnet is the sequences backbone of the syndicate network. A dedicated L2 where all app chain sequences logic lives on-chain as smart contracts, smart sequences while users interact with individual app chains like gaming chains, DeFi chains, or social chains. Syndicate mainnet operates behind the scenes, processing sequences, sequencing transactions, and maintaining programmable ordering rules. So as its core, syndicate mainnet eliminates look-in community building on syndicate don't rent infrastructure, they own it. Every app channel launched on Syndicate network is fully programmable, open and community owned. That means no hidden dependencies, no single point of control, and no centralized party who can change the rules. So Syndicate smart rules up with smart sequences take ownership deeper. Developers and their tokenized communities now have full control over the sequencer network and economy. They can define custom ordering logic, governance fee flows, and MEV policies directly in smart contracts. So this is the difference between infrastructures as a service and infrastructure as ownership. With syndicate, communities can run networks on their own terms and evolve them as they see fit. So technical features of syndicate mainnet are syndicate mainnet serves as a sequences hub for all app chains. It's the core infrastructure that connects all app chains. Developers deploy sequences contracts here, but end users never touch it. They use app chains themselves, which handle execution and user interactions. But with Arbitrum Netro, Syndicate Mainnet is built with Arbitrum Netro providing years of real-world scalability and security. Performance 250 ms block times with modular design for scaling. Data availability integrator with Engine DA for efficient, low-cost data availability. Smart sequencers, sequencing logic lives on-chain is programmable smart contract models, giving communities direct control over ordering rules, fees, governance, and enshrined protocols. Learn more about smart sequences from there. So protocols enshrined in the smart sequencers. Oracle's VRFS and marketplaces can run at the sequences layer for lower latency and transparent guarantees. Fast withdrawals, 1 hour withdrawals via Syndicate Fast Bridge powered by TEES and ZKVMS. Hosting mainnet is initially supported by Syndicate and Alchemy, with plans for progressively increasing decentralization as the syndicate network scales. Thank you for the message gate user B06985FG, and you are welcome in the live stream, brother. If you But currently we are not the chart of BTC or ETH. We are about to tell you the launch pool, which is going to be launched on a gate for syndicate SYND tokenization with the biggest airdrop on the gate, which you can stake with your USDT, BTC, or even the SYND itself to get rewards in returns with the highest APR and individuals rewards even more than you think. So come first and get first. So designed to align with communities, syndicate mainnet is the infrastructure for developers and community on networks. Instead of fees being captured by an external sequencers, operators, or infrastructure provider, all profits generated from using syndicate network are owned by the networks via the DUNA and the community-owned treasury. Through the DUNA, the community may choose to recycle fees into gas subsidies, rebates to use, value back to app chains, or fund grants and new infrastructure, turning activity on the network into direct fuel for community growth. The stacking and emissions design detailed in the Litter Paper aligns stacker app chains and uses stackers back specific app chains and share in the success app chains that attract more stake and usage receive more emissions, while stackers earn greater emissions and are incentivized to use the networks they support. Together, these mechanisms ensure that participants directly shapes how syndicate managed evolves, giving developers and their communities not just infrastructure to build on, but real ownership and control over how that infrastructure grows. Start building the networks of tomorrow, the ability of communities to own their infrastructure sequences, economics, and governance without sacrificing speed, security, or flexibility has never been possible until now. So Syndicate Mainnet marks the foundation of community-owned internet networks that are portable, programmable, and owned from day one, where value circulates back to the communities that create it and the rules evolve without gatekeepers. This is how the internet becomes community-owned when the infrastructure itself put power in the hands of developers and their communities. Join us and the many teams already building in Syndicate Mainnet today. Reach out to get started or review our DOCS documents to learn more. Chan name Syndicate Mainnet, Chan ID 510, block explorer, https://explorer.syndicate.io. So Node Syndicate Mainnet is a developer infrastructure only. Users should interact with app chains, not Syndicate Mainnet directly. Follow them on X, follow them on Forecaster, join their Telegram community channel. Even you can go with the Discord, X, Rapcast, LinkedIn, Carriers, Transaction, Clouds. Wherever you wanted to go, you can subscribe their newsletter. So that was the syndicate's foundation community on the internet. The whole scenario is has been informed to you. So build, deploy, and scale with your own app chain. Infrastructure for scalable, programmable, automatically composable app chains, giving you complete control over your network sequencer and economy. So there is a blog which you can check it. The what is syndicate? Read from there. I will give you something in short. So have a message here from AGME. First of all, you are welcome and thank you for the messaging me in my chat box. And he's asking, should we hold or sell? Should we hold or sell? Well, whatever the token is you are with, you should hold. It's better because the next coming week or the next coming days will be in positive very soon because the Fed rate cut, which is on 25 basis points, is been releasing one by one. So the next movement will be positive with the market. So again with hello, yes brother, how are you? Okay, thank you for joining me. Please like, follow, and share the live stream as well. So why? Let's go for the segment for the syndicate SYND again. The second blog for why app chains. An app chain is a blockchain customized to a particular application or ecosystem and its needs. So that was the short blog which I am telling you. For more details, you can check it out with their website. Just clicking on read more. And next, the syndicates stack. Syndicates make it easy to build and scale app chains with programmable on-chain sequences. So that was a short blog as well. For more, you can check it with the read more action button. So what is a syndicate? Syndicate is an infrastructure for building and scaling app chains with programmable on-chain sequences. For more, you can check it with the read more button. Thank you all of you for joining me tonight. So these were the details for SYND against USDT. And let's move and check the market details again on live data on Gate with 4-hour chart. SYND against USDT. The circulating price is 0.6380, which is live on Gate. You can trade it. You can take the trade from here and get the profits or gain whatever you wanted from here. Before that, I will make something for you as a path to just to maintain. So here with it, the price is going to touch this much high here. All right. So these are the signals that I'm sharing with you. The key points are here. So Crypto Granny had a message. Very nice day. Thank you so much, Granny. Thank you, and very nice day to you as well. Thank you for the message. Please like, follow, and share the live stream as well. Thank you for coming, joining me tonight, sticking with me on live. So that's the trade which I will pull it here for you. Let me just write it the name of SYND against USDT. Entry on 0.64, 64. So that's only spot trading which is listed on the gate. The maybe next move will be for the futures is coming very soon. So there's a message again with the gate users B06985FD. Thanks you. Is thanking me. Well, thanks to you as well. Thanks to you as well, brother, for joining with me on gate and sticking with me to watch. So just take the entry and wait and watch. Wait and watch for till 1.5. Let's just don't go for further. That is the okay. All right. So the entry you can stake it from now on 0.6381, and the profit TP will be triggered on 1.5 as well. All right. So till here, if you guys have any kind of question regarding this token, which is SYND against the USDT, do let me know in the chat box. So these are the details for SYND ongoing airdrop on Gate Live. So you can stake with BTC pool, USDT, and even with SYND itself. The total rewards are 766,500 SYND. Starting time is 23rd of September, 1 o'clock by UTC time. The ending times is 5th of October 2025, ends in 8 day, 1 hour and 23 minutes. Thank you guys for being with me tonight. So first come and first served. So welcome. Thank you for joining. Welcome, brother. Just stay with me to get your red packet as well. After 5 minutes only, you will have it. So we are clear with our segments and the SYND airdrops details that I have already give you the latest information, which is going to be ends in 8 day. So first come and first serve with the stacking pools. For BTC pools, you can stack maximum is 10 BTC with 0.0 from VIP 0 to 4. APR is 4.35%. And USDT pools for newcomers, the maximum is 2000 USDT. You can go and stake with the USDT. Take the participants. APR is 151.6%. And even you can get a 10x to 100 USDT futures position voucher for BTC or USDT as well. That's another bonus for you if you stake with USDT for newcomers. So for more, you can go with the SYND pool as well. The APR is 760.84%. You can stake with 20,000 SYND as well. So these are the details with the Gate Launchpool project has 323 syndicate SYND stake USDT, BTC or SYND to claim airdrops. So stake to earn, first come and first will be served. Thank you guys for joining me tonight. Please like, follow and share the live stream. Please stay until to get the red packet, which is going to be end in 2 minutes. So till that, I have explained the SYND as a token project background, what makes it unique. So how Launchpool works? Step-by-step guide. Get Go to get.io, earn Launchpool, choose GT pool or USDT pool, stake your tokens, start earning SYND instantly with no fees. That I have already shown on my screen. Get.io Launchpool page with pools visible as well. So you can unstake anytime. Rewards are calculated daily and automatically distributed. So there is a BTC utility stacking BTC for new tokens. Alright, so the launch pool is one of the safest and easiest way to farm new tokens without trading risk. Instead of buying SYND directly, you earn it with assets you already hold. So whatever assets you put on, you will get more benefits or maybe in doubling your rewards, and there is no fees as well, and you can redeem it at any time because there is no any flexibility, or sorry, the fixed ratio. So the launch pool is one of the safest and easiest way to farm new tokens without trading risk. Instead of buying SYND directly, you earn it with assets you already hold. So make your assets double in reward on the so in the market is with the bullish momentum. If demand increases from farming hype, we could see higher price action. The farming strategy and question and answer. Small capital at USDT pool for safety. Long-term Gate.io users at BTC pool for higher returns. Alright guys, so it's time to close. So let's move to the wrap-up section. So the launch pool is live now on Gate.io. Don't miss your chance to participate. I will drop all the official links in the description, the announcement link, my referral, and the Get Live link as well. Make sure to check them out. So meanwhile, we will meet you tomorrow again with the same time. Thank you for joining me tonight. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.